Now at 6, Medical Center Hospital is speaking out on a new executive order from Governor Abbott that asks about patients' immigration status. Good evening and thank you for joining us tonight for ABC Big 2 News. I'm Chris Talley. The new requirement was issued by Governor Abbott through an executive order. It's now making its way to every hospital right here in the Lone Star State. The order collects the report from the immigration status of patients who receive health care. Now advocates, government officials, and local hospitals across the state are discussing how this order might affect health care, including Medical Center Hospital in Odessa. Abbott released a statement when the order was issued saying, quote, Texans should not have to shoulder the burden of financially supporting medical care for illegal immigrants. That is why today I issued an executive order requiring the Texas Health and Human Services Commission to collect and report health care costs for illegal immigrants in our state. Now, Medical Center Hospital says there are some concerns here locally about the order.
Well, I think there's a few things in there that we're concerned about privacy-wise. We're also concerned about, the legal status of these patients that they're wanting to know. We want to know, why are we collecting this data? We know that it costs the local taxpayer money to have these type of patients, and we want to make sure that we're doing what's right by our taxpayers and by our patients, and just make sure we know what's expected and know what to provide.
We're told saving money is important to the hospital because of the service they want to provide the community.
The uninsured and underinsured in Ector County and in the Permian Basin is in the hundreds of millions of dollars. And so, yeah, we watch every dime that goes in and out with that, and we do our best to recapture everything we can. Being a hospital like we are, we have to serve those regardless of their ability to pay. I mean, we don't even ask them when they come in the emergency room. Our first thought is, how can we make you better? Then we take care of the rest after that. But it is a lot, and it's a lot on the local taxpayer and honestly every taxpayer in the state of Texas. So we understand that. We want relief from that too. We want to be part of the solution, not part of the problem. And whatever we can provide the governor to give him, good numbers to work to help keep our local taxes low and our state taxes low, we're all for that.
And while this executive order is new, the issue of immigration status in hospitals has been prevalent in West Texas for some time.
To me, it's kind of nice that the governor's giving it attention because they realize, hey, this is a problem. We've been saying out in West Texas, this has been a problem for a long time. So we're always a little bit ahead of that, trying to make some noise so people will listen to us and what we're doing out here. So I'm happy to see Governor Abbott and people work with that. We've talked to Representative Landgraf too. He knows what this hospital is all about and what we do here and what it costs to do here, and we appreciate his help too to get us protected as we provide this uncompensated care.
The hospital tells us they are working with other facilities as well as actively working to train their staff on how to complete this requirement. We're told lawyers left today for a training session in Austin.